Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at this guy. This is a new product from WordLock. It is the WordLock Resettable Store More Lockbox. It's an awful long title, but that's how it's advertised. I got it on Amazon. You get it for about 30 bucks. I think it's what, $29.99. A little less if you're a Prime member. This thing has a nice little shackle on it that apparently releases, and looking at the instructions, from the inside. And I haven't been in there yet, but hopefully we'll get in there pretty quick. You can hang this on doorknobs, door handles. If you got workmen coming to your house, you can put it in there, let them in, put your key in it, I guess. You can also put it on trailer hitches. So if you're going boating, I guess you lock all your valuables, your watch, your wallet, car keys, diamonds, gold nuggets, everything goes in there. And hopefully when you come back from your boating trip, your vehicle and all your valuables are still there. We're going to find out about it. As I said, combination, very easy to see. We have access to it here behind this little cover, and I don't know what the combination is. Doesn't really matter, but they keep it behind this little cover here. It's quite complex packaging. We've got to take a couple screws out. Got to apparently turn this to open it. I'm not even going to mess with the packaging because I don't have any of that technology. It is saw-proof, hammer-proof, cloud-proof, sun-proof, rain-proof, and I believe it. It's a pretty large container, probably about the size of a adult beverage can. Keep all kinds of stuff in there. I don't like combination locks, and I think you guys have heard me say this before many times, because I think all of them have weaknesses, particularly at this price point, around 30 bucks. They can't afford to put all of it in there, and the most common weakness on the wheels is they're unshielded, which will allow you to take a feeler gauge, like this one, hopefully, and it slides down either side of the wheel. That side's a little snug, but it does go in on both sides of every one of these. There's plenty of room on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my feeler gauge and then turn this wheel until I feel the tip of that feeler gauge fall into a notch or a little hole cut in the wheel. I felt a little rough spot there. Let's keep going here. Okay, there's a rough spot. It feels like a flat spot. Let me check the other side. Okay, the other side goes down to a tiny shaft, so there's nothing on the other side. So apparently there's a flat spot, not a notch. So let's see if this works. I'm going to take my feeler gauge and slide him in there, and I'm going to take this finger and try to pull him back in that direction. Notice the angle. So when I rotate this, hopefully the flat spot, when it's on the top, my feeler gauge will then kind of straighten up, kind of like that. So let's find out if this works. Do this with the probe to keep my finger out of your way so you can kind of see what's going on here. Okay, there. Do you see that straighten up? So we are on the flat spot is now on the top of the wheel. Let's try it on this guy, see if that works. There we go. So what we're doing is lining up all the flat spots in one place, and then I don't know if that's going to be on the locking bar or not, but the flat spot has to line up with a locking bar. So let's line them up first so we know where everybody is, and then what we can do is rotate these wheels one at a time, one position at a time, until the flat spot lines up with the locking bar. Okay, so KYFT. Let's see if we're lined up, make that lined up perfectly. See if that lined up. No, it didn't. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate them all. Let's just go forward one position like that. So S, T, L, and K. Try to pull our cup off. Okay, we've rotated that flat spot 2 positions. Nothing. We probably guessed the wrong way. We probably got to do it like 8 times, but and there it is. I can feel it jiggling. That little bottom plate was holding us. Looks like we got, the instructions are in there. Anyway, we got instructions. No valuables today, guys. We don't get any free truck, free boat, any nuggets or diamonds. What I would say is this is probably not a great security solution. It has a built-in design defect, typical of many of WordLock's products. So again, I'm going to have to say, you know, stay safe, stay legal, but stay away from WordLock. It's not the best choice. And that's a shame because everything on this, for this price point, I mean, stainless steel, looks like we got a drain hole in the bottom. Everything else would be great if only they'd put some shields on these wheels to keep us from picking in this thing so quickly. Anyway, guys, thanks for your time.